Hi, welcome back to another episode. This one will be about the Series 3 V12 E-Type we did, and we finished 18 months ago from a loyal customer. Got a call out of the blue in 2014, one Saturday afternoon. Would you like to restore my E-Type? It's in a Qatari collection at the moment. It's on sale at Bonhams at an auction. Would you be interested in doing it? It'd be a zero compromise, no expense spared. I want the absolute best. So for us, it was an awesome build. Fit and finish on the money, beautiful paintwork, gaps absolutely on point, lots of upgrades, Olin suspension all round, Torino one-off alloys all round, AP brakes all round, lots of upgrades. Nothing in terms of fabrication that could really show what we could do, because the car was a relatively rot-free car, so there was heel bores and a little bit of repairing, but it was panel fit on point, absolutely flawless panel gaps. So for us, it was fantastic. It was our first zero compromise build, so it was the first one that had no budget. It was just turn out the best you can possibly turn out, and what we've turned out is just absolutely stunning. Beautiful job. Check it out, and at the end of the video there's a short video that Gun Hill Studios filmed of it in the Cove, which is just absolutely stunning, and you can't appreciate how gorgeous it is. We displayed it at the Revival last year in September at Goodwood, and it was an overwhelming success. The compliments were just overwhelming. It was just awesome. So check out the video, stick around to the end, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Tune in next time. Thank you very much, guys.